for the board CBSE 7th class for the subject mathematics, prepared by myself, KV Sridhar. Chapter number 1, integers. Before going to the first exercise, we will see the concepts involved in the exercise. Addition on number line. Students, already we have known the addition on number line in the previous class, that is 6th standard. See how we are going to find the sum. 6 plus 3 from 0 on the number line to 0, the right side of the numbers are all positive numbers and the left side to that of are all negative numbers. Try to recapitulate this one. So from 0 we have to find the value of plus 6. What we have to do? We have to move 6 positions from 0. First position, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay. So here we have the symbol plus. So again we have to move to the right side direction. Okay. But how many positions? 3 positions. From 6 we have to move right side direction on the number line for 3 positions or 3 places. First place 7 we got, second place 8 and 9 for the third place. Okay, we have to move 3 positions because it is plus 3. So the result is 6 plus 3, which is equals to 9. We will see one more example. Minus 6. So from 0 on the number line we have to move left side 6 positions. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is minus 6 and we have plus 3. That means we have to move the right side 3 positions. Okay, first position 1 we got minus 5, position 2 we got minus 4 and position 3 we got minus 3. Therefore minus 6 plus 3 is equals to minus 3. Okay, next example, minus 6 plus of minus 3. Again we know how to identify minus 6 on number line. From 0 to 6 positions or 6 places on the left side of the number line. Here it is we have. So plus into minus, minus. So we have to move again left side 3 positions from 6. 3 positions to the left side. Position 1 we got minus 7. Position 2 we got minus 8 and position 3 we got minus 9. So minus 6 plus of minus 3 is equals to minus 9. This is the resultant on the number line. We will see exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in the degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Okay, we will see the questions carefully. Question A. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. We have to write the temperature of the each and every place, how they are all marked on the number line. Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees centigrade because to right side we are moving. So the value will be like this, minus 9, minus 8. Okay, so here it is minus 8 degrees centigrade. And Srinagar, here it is minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. So minus 2 degrees centigrade. And for Shimla, we have 5 degrees centigrade. 0 is here and right side to 0 is positive values, 5 degrees centigrade. And Ooty, it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 degrees centigrade. Okay, and Bangalore, it is 20, 21, 22 degrees centigrade. Next question. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? we have to check the temperature of the hottest place is Bangalore, 22 degrees centigrade from the number line. The temperature of the coldest place is -8 degrees centigrade. This is Lahaul Spiti. So the difference is 22 minus of -8 degrees centigrade. Minus into minus is plus. So it is 22 degrees centigrade plus 8 degrees centigrade, which is equals to 30 degrees centigrade. Okay. Question C. What is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar? Srinagar. The temperature of Lahaul Spiti is -8 degrees centigrade. Okay. And the temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees centigrade. Therefore, the difference is -2 minus of -8 degrees centigrade. So -2 minus into minus is plus. So -2 plus 8 degrees centigrade, that is 6 degrees centigrade. This is the difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar. Question D. Can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So we have to compare two quantities here. Temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees centigrade, and we have to take together temperature of Shimla, which is equals to 5 degrees centigrade. Therefore, since we have taken together these two cities, temperature of the above cities taken together is equals to -2 plus 5 degrees centigrade, which is equals to 3 degrees centigrade. Now the question is, the temperature at Shimla is 5 degrees centigrade. Okay. So the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than that of Shimla by, if you can differentiate 5 minus 3, it is 2 degrees centigrade. Okay. Here it is. Question number 2. In a quiz, the positive marks are given for correct answers and the negative marks are given for wrong answers, that means incorrect answers. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total score at the end? What we have to do? We have to add all these numbers, as simple as such. The given scores are 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. The marks for correct answers is equals to 25 plus 15 plus 10. Okay, we have added all the positive numbers, 25 plus 15 plus 10, which is equals to 50. The marks given for incorrect answers, -5 plus of -10, that means -5 and -10, okay, which is the value -15. If you can go for the total marks given at the end, 50 plus of -15, that is equals to 50 plus into minus is minus 50 minus 15, this is equals to 35. So the total marks given at the end are 35. Question number 3. At Srinagar, the temperature was -5 degrees centigrade on Monday and it is dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? And on Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees centigrade. What was the temperature on this day? That means on Wednesday. The initial temperature of Srinagar on Monday is -5 degrees centigrade. but the temperature on Tuesday is, because it was dropped by 2 degrees centigrade, that means -5 -2. This is equals to -7 degrees centigrade. Okay. Okay. After that, after -7 degrees centigrade, next day is Wednesday. It was increased by 4 degrees centigrade. Okay. So it is -7 plus 4 degrees centigrade, which is equals to -3 degrees centigrade on Wednesday. So the required temperature on Tuesday is -7 degrees centigrade and the temperature on Wednesday is -3 degrees centigrade. Next question. A plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Height of the flying plane is 5,000 meters. Depth of the submarine is, it is below, so its value is minus 1200 meters. Therefore, the distance here is 5,000 minus of minus 1200 meters, which is equals to 5,000 plus 1200. This is equals to 6,200 meters. This is the distance between them. We can call this as the vertical distance. The vertical distance is 6,200 meters. Question number 5. Mohan deposits 2000 rupees in his bank account and withdraws 1642 rupees from it the next day. If withdrawal amount from the account is represented by a negative number, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. The deposited amount will be represented with a positive integer, that is plus 2000 rupees. The amount withdrawn is 1642 rupees. Therefore, the balance is 2000 rupees minus 1642, which is equals to 358 rupees. Okay. Hence, the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal is 358 rupees. Question number 6. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from a point A to point B. So from B, she moves 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? And by which integer will you represent the final position of Rita from A? For example, this is the position she is about to start. Okay, this is east and this is west. The distances traveled towards east from a point A will be represented by positive integer, that is plus 20 kilometers given. The distance traveled towards west from the point B will be represented with a negative integer, which is equals to minus 30 kilometers. So the final position of Rita from A is equals to 20 minus 30 kilometers, which is equals to minus 10 kilometers. Understood? Hence, the required position of Rita will be represented or presented by a negative number because it is towards west direction. Next question. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. We have two magic squares. So the condition is each row, column and diagonal. Each row and column and diagonal have the same sum, same value. So out of these two squares, which is a magic square, we have to check. For the figure 1, row 1, R1 is equals to this one, 5 plus of minus 1 plus of minus 4. This is equals to 5 minus 1 minus 4. This is equals to 5 minus 5 is 0. This is about row 1. Next row 2, minus 5 plus of minus 2 plus 7. This is equals to 7 plus 7. I'm sorry, it is 7 minus 7, which is equals to 0. And for row 3, it is 0 plus 3 plus of minus 3. Okay, so 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. This is about rows. And coming back to the column, here 5 plus of minus 5 plus 0. This is equals to 0. And for column 2, minus 1 plus of minus 2 plus 3, which is equals to minus 1 minus 2 plus 3. So this is minus 3 plus 3, which is equals to 0. And for question 2, this one, row value is 1 plus of minus 10, which is equals to 1 minus 10. This is equals to minus 9. And for row 2, minus 4 plus of minus 3 plus of minus 2. This is equals to minus 4 minus 3 minus 2. This is equals to minus 9. Row 3, minus 6 plus 4 minus 7. That means minus 6 plus 4 minus 7. This is equals to minus 9. And coming back to columns, column C1 is equals to 1 plus of minus 4 minus 6. That means 1 minus 4 minus 6. This is equals to minus 9. Next, column C2, minus 10 plus of minus 3 plus 4. This is equals to minus 10 minus 3 plus 4, which is equals to minus 9. And for column 3, 0 plus of minus 2 plus of minus 7. This is equals to minus 9. And if you can check the diagonal D1, 1 plus of minus 3 plus of minus 7. This is equals to 1 minus 10. This is equals to minus 9. And for diagonal 2, it is also 0 plus of minus 3 plus of minus 6. This is equals to minus 9. Here the sum of integers column wise, row wise and diagonally is same. So picture 2 is a magic square. Okay. And if you can observe for the picture 1, if you can observe the diagonal 5 plus of minus 2 plus of minus 3. This is equals to 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. Okay. And for the diagonal 2, this is minus 4 plus of minus 2 plus 0. This is equals to minus 6. So for the picture 1, the sum of integers of diagonal D2 is different from the others, remaining all same. Therefore, picture 2 is a magic square. And picture 1 is not a magic square. Question number 8. Verify a minus of minus b is equals to a plus b for the following values of a and b. A minus of minus b is equals to a plus b. Here we have the values for the first one. A is equals to 21 and b is equals to 18. 21 minus of minus 18. This is equals to 21 plus 18, which is equals to 39. And RHS is equals to, here it is 21 plus 18, this is equals to 39. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. Similarly, hence verified. Similarly, second question, a minus of minus b is equals to a plus b. LHS is equals to, a is equals to 118, b is equals to 125. 118 minus of minus 125, this is equals to minus into minus is plus, so the value is 243. And for RHS, 118 plus 125, which is equals to 243. So LHS is equals to RHS, so verified. Question number 3. The value of A is equals to 75 and value of B is equals to 84. LHS is equals to 75 minus of minus 84. This is equals to 75 plus 84. The value is 159. And for RHS, it is 75 plus 84, which is equals to 159. So here LHS is equals to RHS, verified. Fourth question, the value of A is 28 and value of B is 11. So LHS is equals to 28 minus of minus 11, that is 28 plus 11, 39. RHS is equals to 28 plus 11, 39. So LHS is equals to RHS, verified. Question number 9. Use the sign of greater than or less than or equal to make the statement as true. We will see the problems one by one. A. Minus 8 plus of minus 4. Minus 8 minus of minus 4. We will simplify this one. Minus 8 plus of minus 4 blank minus 8 minus of 4. So LHS is equals to minus 8 plus of minus 4, that is minus 8 minus 4, which is equals to minus 12. And the right side, minus 8 minus of minus 4, which is equals to minus 8 plus 4, that means minus 4. So here we have to put the symbol minus 12 is less than minus 4. So we have to put the symbol here less than. Question B. Minus 3 plus 7 minus of 19 dash 15 minus 8 plus of minus 9. We will take the value of LHS. Minus 3 plus of 7 minus of 19. That means minus 3 minus 19 plus 17. Plus 7. This is equals to minus 22 plus 1, which is the value minus 15. And RHS is equals to 15 minus 8 plus of minus 9. That is 15 minus 8 minus 9. So 15 minus 17 is equals to minus 2. Therefore, minus 15 is less than minus 2. Okay. So here we have to put the symbol less than. Question C. 23 minus 11 plus 23 minus 11, 23 minus 41 plus 11 blank 23 minus 41 minus 11. LHS is equals to 23 plus 11 minus 41, that means 34 minus 41, which is equals to minus 7. And RHS is equals to 23 minus 11 minus 41, this is equals to 23 minus 52, it is equals to minus 29. So here minus 7 is greater than minus 29. Therefore, we have to put the symbol greater than here. Question D. 39 plus of minus 24 minus of 15. We will take the LHS value. 39 minus 24 minus 15. This is equals to 39 minus 19. 39 minus 39, which is equals to 0. And RHS 36 plus of minus 52 minus of minus 36. We can rewrite this as 36 minus 52 plus 36. That means 72 minus 52, which is equals to 20. So here we have the symbol less than, because 0 is less than 20, we know. Question E. Minus 231 plus 79 plus 51 blank minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. Here LHS is equals to minus 231 plus 79 plus 15. That means taking all the positive values one side, adding them, minus 231 plus 130, this is equals to minus 101. And RHS is equals to minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. Again, adding the positive values, we get plus 240. 390 minus 399 plus 240. This is equals to minus 59, minus 159. So here minus 101, 101 is greater than minus 159. So here we have the symbol greater than. Question number 10, last question in the exercise. A water tank has steps inside it. Okay. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. So first one, he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. How many jumps will he reach the water level? Okay, for the first jump, actually he is at 4th step. Second one, J2 is at 2nd step, okay, upwards. See this picture carefully. And for the third one, J3 is at 5th step downwards. For the fourth jump, J4 is at 3rd step upwards. For the fifth jump, J5 is at 6th step. Sixth jump, J6 is at the 4th step upwards. Seventh jump, J7 is at 7th step downwards. And 8th step, J8 is at 5th step. Ninth jump, J9 is at 8th step. And 10th jump, J10 is at 6th step. 11th jump, J11 is at 9th step, okay, downwards. That means the water level. Hence, the required number of jumps are 11 jumps. Okay.